Okay, I got her. It was really just a matter of kind of pivoting it off the side and around. Um, at a glance, the capacitors in here are not bulging. There's no shit leaking out of them. And it sustained no damage. But that fan, I don't know if you can tell, that fan ain't no good. So we got to try to service it in place because I don't want to have to get rid of it and replace it. Well, this one maybe is a little bulgy. That one maybe not quite so much, but it didn't vent. That's important. And we'll see if it still smells like egg rolls. I'm sure it's made in China. I think it had, yeah, it's got Chinese all over it, so there you go. But that, you know, that wasn't that wasn't China's fault. Well, maybe the manufacturer of the fan. But the problem is oil is a precious commodity in China, and that's why the computer fans don't last. Actually, that's all a lie. The reason for that is they are, well, yeah, actually they are not oiled, number one. And number two is they're so cheaply made that, you know, oil would cost to do that, and then it would last, and then that wouldn't be good because then they couldn't sell you another one. So computer fans, unless they're a more, you know, like removed from professional equipment or something like that, where it simply just has to fucking work, little shit like this is always going to be junk. And there's only so much you can do with it or about it. And here we are 9 years later, maybe more depending on when it was oiled. And it needs oil. And we'll see if I can get it to come back to life. And if I do, it probably is going to run. If I get another 5 years out of it, well, 6 would be even better. That'll make 15 years. That's fair. You know, we'll see. Okay, she's out. It's an ATA fan. And these are, you know, run-of-the-mill, seen a zillion of them. ADQ 812HS-A70GL. No, AD08 12HS-A70GL. That's the model number, and it's 12 volts. And, yeah. So we're going to Earl it. Now, if I had Earled this in the past, I used the red can, because that's the right oil to use. The red can 3-in-1. It's so good that I keep it right off to the side. And here it is, the can I had since I was 14 years old. It's now time to Earl it. I'm going to want to be able to see, so I'll put this on. Peel that back. It is clean as a whistle, so either it was never oiled or something. You need a razor blade to get that open. There we go. I just broke the blade on this fucking thing and gotta put a new one in there too. It's coming. See, this one of them good old school ones that's got a real fucking, look at that. That is a real rubber fucking plug. Okay? Almost as if it were fucking designed for this. Okay? So we got that. And that's really it. As far as the fan, should be able to be saved. That should free right up with some Earl and some compressed air. So we'll work on one thing at a time. Okay, that's more than too much. Perfect. You want to try to be as clean as possible when you put the Earl in to try to get the sticker to stick again. We're now going to put the rubber cap in, and it's probably going to squish all the Earl out. Perfectly clean. Seal that back up. That's fine. Oh, it actually does stick if you really... No, it doesn't. It's fixed. Oh! She's coming back around. It needs a little time. It needs some working in, but she is definitely coming back around. Might even hit it with a little more. Let's hit it with some compressed air. Turn the compressor back on in case. Because this needs all of it. I want to get a full tank. It's way more free than it was. Way more free. Oh yeah. But I want to check again and see about the Earl. I drank that shit right up. Okay, it's going to need a little more. That'll do. A little fur on there now. I'll get rid of that. Yeah, so that's all it was. She was just thirsty. Yeah, now it made a mess. There goes the sticker. We can gussy it up with the sticker or just leave it the fuck off and toss it in the system, which is probably the wiser idea instead of wasting adhesive transfer tape on it. Because you can make it look nice, but who's ever going to see it? And this will definitely let you know you've been in here. Brand new. Brand and new. That needs nothing more. It doesn't want to stop. Huh. That's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to clean that up a little more. We'll leave the sticker off like I said. And I'm going to put everything the fuck back as it was, and then we'll concentrate on the other one. Alright, the fan is back in, and now we're going to concentrate on the case fan, which is here. We'll leave the power supply dismounted for two reasons. Number A is it'll give me more room to work on this. And letter 4 is going to be that when I test it before relinquishing it and putting it back in service, I can verify that it works and see that it's all there before you slam the case up. That is the cardinal rule with that. The case goes on after the job is done, never before. Because if you put it on before, you're going to end up having to take it back off again. You learn from the best here. Okay. I have no idea how this fan comes out, but I see stuff. And it looks like if I push on it, we'll use that guy. I might be able to get it to pop up. Yep, and this one. It pops up. But not quite enough. Don't worry about the compressor, we're going to need that again anyway, right quick. What is that for? I mean, it moved, it's there, but it's not there. Oh, there it is. Nice. That wasn't bad. Okay, that's good. Now this fan was not as bad as the power supply. So what's really nice is we're not even going to have to see it. It goes, but it keeps biting my finger is what happens. It's not thrilled. Okay, this one don't have a rubber plug. Some don't. Can't tell what that is. There's a little spot there. Could have been old Earl. It's possible. Can you see anything? No. One more drop, I think. That's enough. Alright. Let that soak in for a few seconds. I just wiped the nozzle off and I got shit on it. That's nice. There. Okay. So we're now at too high of a magnification, so I can't see. There we go. Right back down, and no one will ever know. Well, I didn't leave that there. I'll get some more air. And should fix it right up. She's rough. This one I don't have a replacement for. You don't need this one. She quieted down a little. Let's check our dipstick. Yeah, drank it all up. Well, don't fall in there. Don't do that. That's a lot of Earl in there. Hear how dry it is, so it's not like you can't use it. What am I going to do when I run out of 3-in-1 Earl? You'll just have to buy the blue can, derp. It's got a fan on it. Oh, and look at that. He fixed it. Yeah, it's a little rough sounding still, but nowhere near as bad as after the first go. She'll come back around. Spin it the other way. Yeah, see how long it takes to spin down? That's gotta have 6 more years in it. It's gotta. Alright, I guess I don't need to mount that so we can watch the fans. I don't want it to boot, but if it does, it's not the end of the world. Let's get a power cord and see if it works.